All right, this is gonna be a great one for the Canon M50 Mark II. I ordered it, and it has the bundle package, and it's 2 boxes, and it just came in. As you can see, it's sealed, and it's primed. All right, how am I gonna open this up? This is the box. This is the box cutter, and right there, that's all you need to cut this baby open. Box cutter. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, and down here real quick, and that's it. That quick. Put that down, open her up. As you can see, get rid of this. Do not, okay. Bring this out. The old box within the box. Right there. There we go. Oh, this is it. This is the one. M50 from Canon Mark II. No. And that's how that looks. That's how it comes in. This is what I wanted. The lenses. It's one. Close-up lens, wide-angle lens. Here's the camera. Oh, yeah. Yep. The Mark II camera bag. And flasher. All right. The filter kit. There's decoy. There you go, right there. Another filter thing. UV filter. The cleaning kit. Okay, you know what that is. All right, here we go. This came also. Okay. What's in here? That's what they come. Look at that. Okay, take this out. This is what I'm going to open up here first. All right. Put this over here. We know we got the camera. All this gets moved over here. The 2 lenses, flash, all this other stuff. All right, this goes over here for now. Now, the reason why I want to open up this one is I want to know if it has that quick release. Everybody's saying that it doesn't have a quick release, or that some do have quick release. So let me take this one off. See if it has that quick release. That's an important thing that people are looking for. Take this off. All right, here we go. Quick release. Bring that over. Nope. This one doesn't have it. As you can see, it's open up all the way. Okay. That's plastic right here. So it's not metal, that's plastic. Let me switch you over here and let you see it. That's how tall it is. Bring this down. And that's it. Tighten that up. I'm trying to bring it as tall as I can. So in reality, that's it right there. So I put the camera on it. You're like this. You're like that trying to look through the camera. So you have to sit this up a little higher to get that view you want. Yeah, so that's how it stands right here. Wow. Okay. Now let me put you over here back again. And move this cam. And the quick release on this stand, tripod that I have, it's off already. And as you can see, the difference between the two. See, that's the quick release right there. And this one doesn't have it. It's just a regular stand on it. You can't take that off. So that's the difference. And next to each other. Okay, I don't have this one all the way up high. This one can go up higher. Let me just do that right now. Oh yeah. Maybe. So that's the difference right there. This one only sits that high, and that one a little higher. Like the material. This is all metal. That's metal. This is plastic. That's what you're getting. All right. So that's it for the tripod. It will serve its purpose. All right. let's get to the other video. Put you right back here. Bring you down some. All right. Fold up this tripod. Put it aside. All right. Bring you over here. All right. So that's it for this package. For the M50 Mark II. Here's the other box. Now, let me see if you can get a good view of that. Oh, yeah, there it is, right here, another box. And let's see what's in this one. Open up here. That's been open. All right. Set that right here. And what we have here, another box. And that's it. All right. This is heavy. A little heavy. Move you over here. All right, let's see what's in this box. There we go. And what do we have in here? Open right here. Oh, okay. I know what this one is. Like I said, I ordered some stuff that, you know, I needed to do and I will do. And for you auto buffs, car enthusiasts, this is it right here. I just picked this up and I'm gonna put it on my Lincoln Town car. So that's it right there. That's how that looks. Yep, oil catch can. All right, that'll be another video. Put that aside. This box right here. This is the box. Let me see how we're looking. We're looking good. We're looking good. All right. Open this box up. Right here. There. That's it. You just open it up. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here we go. That's it. Canon 50mm lens. This is the lens. Pro Hood Series filters. Filter kit. More cleaning stuff right here for your filters. That blow out the air. Cleaner brush. Another for the sun. That's that right there. Get another one of these things. I'll figure out what it is. And that, oh, okay, to put the lens in. There it is, put the lens in. And that's this baby right here. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. And this is for me. I'll enjoy it. Get ready to have fun with these. I'll open them up and take a closer look. So, thank you very much for watching. And that's what you get. And it's going to improve my video big time. And then from this day forward, oh yeah, from this day forward, videos that'll come out that I put up, I'll be real nice, real sharp. And that's what I wanted. All right. A little quick. Give you a little quick look on this one with the instructions. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, I didn't see that. That's different. Yeah. I don't know what this is pertaining to, but it's yeah. Okay. Okay, we're back. We're back. See? Okay, we're back. This is the main reason why I'm getting a camera. Yes, a cell phone is good, but it'll cut you off. You don't know what's going on with your cell phone. That's what happened with mine. It just went off. It went somewhere else. Okay, this is the battery for it, and it's the LPE12. This one is the LPE12. And right here, okay, it's the new charger. Oh, nice new charger. All right. Oh, there it is. That's for that, to plug that in, plug it to the outlet. So this doesn't have a plug like others we see. Let me get you a good close-up. See, like others you see, they have a plug to plug in the wall, but this one doesn't have it. It has that to put it in for this baby right here. That's what it is for. So that's how this is set up. And the camera is right here. There we go. Put all this aside. Oh yeah, a lot of goodies here. Take the camera out. Pretty pretty heavy. It is heavy. It's not light. It has some weight to it. Oh yeah, that rubber. You feel that rubber right there? Yep. Good grip. All right. Take this off real. Yep, that's it. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, nice and clean. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is it. And you flip out. Right now it's closed, as you can see. Open her up. There you go. There it is. And then you can face it this way and turn it. And that's it. Beautiful. All right. And then close it up again. All right. And that's how that looks. All right. Perfect. Perfect. Got this. I'm going to show you. That's it. That's the unboxing. So I'm going to leave the links in the description below on the package, on this particular package, and the lens where I got it. All right. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, conduct all your actions accordingly and perform all your duties in a professional manner. Let's move them out. Okay, we're recording again. All right, pay attention. There's 3 boxes. I'm thinking this box only has 1 item in it and I don't have to worry about it. But as I opened up all the other 2 boxes, I didn't see what I'm really ordered. So there is another box, and this is the 3rd box. You set this baby right here. Here it is. Because I did order some other stuff, and you're going to see it right now. Box cutter. Remember, don't forget. Simple box cutter. That's all you need. A simple little box cutter. And just go right here. And you just go on this side. Let's open up a little more. There you go. And then open here. Oh yeah, 3rd box. This is the 3rd box, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. There you go. The 3rd box. Okay, what's in this one now? Now, as you know, I got the M50 Mark II with this regular lens that it comes with the package, plus the 50mm lens and the close-up and wide-angle lens. And in this box, there it is right there. There it is. I got this baby right here. This one. And this one. This one's the adapter, and this is the lens, the booster. Oh yeah. So there it is. And batteries for this camera, 3 of them. Let me open it up and let you see. So that's what I have. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go deep with this. Open her up in here, and I'm gonna show you these batteries also, which will help. And there are 3 of them. There are 3 of them. That's with the window in there to show the battery level. And here are the batteries. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So there you go. 3 batteries. 4 batteries now. So now I got a 4th. 4 batteries. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right here. So I'm not going to have to worry about getting low on power, or I'm not going to have enough time because it looks low, or... Yep, 4 batteries. Done. Excellent. All right. I'm going to show you some pictures after this video. Right after this video, you're going to see some pictures, how everything looks. All right? Thank you for watching. Oh, yeah. In there. Thank you for watching. And you know what you got to do next. Enjoy your day.